Living in the Philippines can offer a unique and diverse experience. Whether you choose to live in a city or province, there are pros and cons to consider. Here are some general pros and cons for each. Living in the Philippines, general pros and cons. 1. Hospitality and warmth. Filipinos are known for their friendliness and hospitality towards foreigners and visitors. 2. Affordable cost of living. The cost of living in the Philippines is relatively low compared to many Western countries, making it an attractive option for expatriates and retirees. 3. Beautiful natural attractions. The country boasts stunning beaches, tropical islands, mountains, and other natural wonders that provide opportunities for outdoor activities and exploration. 4. English proficiency. English is widely spoken in the Philippines, making it easier for English-speaking foreigners to communicate and adapt. 5. Cultural diversity. The Philippines is a melting pot of different cultures, and living there allows you to experience a rich blend of traditions, festivals, and cuisine. 1. Traffic congestion. Major cities in the Philippines, such as Manila, can suffer from heavy traffic, which can lead to long commutes and delays. 2. Limited infrastructure. Some areas, especially in the provinces, may have limited access to infrastructure and public services, such as healthcare and education. 3. Natural disasters. The Philippines is prone to typhoons, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions, which can pose risks to safety and property. 4. Political and bureaucratic challenges. Like any country, the Philippines has its own political and bureaucratic challenges, which can sometimes affect governance and public services. 5. Income disparities. While the cost of living may be low, income disparities are present, and poverty can be a significant issue in certain areas. City living in the Philippines. 1. Employment opportunities. Major cities like Manila, Cebu, and Davao offer a wide range of job opportunities across various industries. 2. Modern amenities and infrastructure. Cities provide access to modern amenities, such as shopping malls, restaurants, entertainment venues, and well-developed transportation networks. 3. Cultural and social activities. Urban areas in the Philippines offer a vibrant social scene, with art galleries, theaters, concerts, and a variety of dining options. 4. Access to quality healthcare and education. Cities usually have better access to healthcare facilities and educational institutions, including international schools and universities. 1. Higher cost of living. Living in cities can be more expensive compared to the provinces, with higher rental costs, utility bills, and general expenses. 2. Pollution and congestion. Cities in the Philippines often suffer from pollution, traffic congestion, and overcrowding, which can impact the quality of life. 3. Increased noise and fast-paced lifestyle. Urban areas are generally busier and noisier, which may not be ideal for those seeking a quieter and more laid-back lifestyle. 4. Security concerns. While crime rates vary across cities, some urban areas may have higher crime rates compared to rural areas, necessitating extra precautions. Provincial living in the Philippines. 1. Peaceful and relaxed lifestyle. Provinces typically offer a more laid-back and slower-paced lifestyle, ideal for individuals seeking tranquility and closer connection with nature. 2. Lower cost of living. The cost of living in the provinces is generally lower than in cities, with lower housing costs and more affordable daily expenses. 3. Closer to nature. Provinces often boast beautiful natural landscapes, including mountains, forests, and beaches, providing opportunities for outdoor activities and a healthier environment. 4. Strong sense of community. Provincial living often fosters a strong sense of community, with close-knit relationships and a supportive social network. 1. Limited job opportunities. Provinces may have fewer job opportunities, especially in specialized industries, which can be a challenge for individuals seeking specific career paths. 2. Limited access to amenities. Provinces may have limited access to modern amenities, shopping centers, and entertainment options compared to cities. 3. Healthcare and education. While some provinces have adequate healthcare and educational facilities, others may have limited access to quality healthcare services and educational institutions. 4. Less diverse social and cultural activities. Provinces may offer fewer social and cultural activities compared to cities, resulting in a relatively quieter social scene. It's important to note that these pros and cons can vary depending on the specific city or province within the Philippines. It's recommended to research and visit potential areas of interest to get a better understanding of what living conditions and lifestyle options are available before making a decision.